Hey guys, so I finally finished my new AR and I took it out shooting about a week ago. It actually functions relatively well. I've got a couple different kinds of mags here. I got these DPMS mags that I've been using. I got a couple of those, and I got a couple of these P-mags that I've been using. The problem I'm having with the rifle is that it won't hold open after the last shot with either a P-mag or the DPMS. And I've fired from bench and I've fired from standing. I got some footage I'll put in right here. This AR that I see how it functions. Now, they're all high enough. What's that?
Well, he was saying that 22s aren't in here.
No problem.
Maybe you like these pistols.
Yeah, he told me.
Because like when it's done.
I mean, it's functioning, it's not locking back. Find out why. Take it home, take it.
What round does your AK use?
Rounds? 30
What?
cal.
Oh.
It's 2 AK. This last magazine through, we all fought. Here's an extra bullet, Nick. Put it in something.
Okay.
So, my question to you guys is, what can be wrong with it? I checked the gas system's fine. It's working flawlessly. I got on this rifle. I got a Ammo Brothers lower. It's just a local shop that makes them. Got a Daniels Defense upper. I got a Les Bear Customs bolt. Mishmash parts. I got an AR-15.com barrel with a 1-to-9 twist. I got a Yankee Hill front end on it, and the Yankee Hill gas system on it. It's just it's regular gas tube, but it's Yankee Hill. This is a DPMS spring and compensator. It's a DPMS spring and compensator on it. I measured the spring. The spring measures out right at 10.5 inches. So, any ideas why it won't hold open? I mean, if I throw a mag in it, it'll hold open like that, but when firing, it won't. And I put the bad lever on it, but that shouldn't interfere with anything. I mean, I checked. It's not. You can see it's not touching anywhere with the bad lever on there. That seems to be functioning okay without rounds going through it. But that I put 100 rounds through it, and every time it wouldn't hold back. I think excuse me. Out of all mags, one time it was one of these DPMS mags did stay open, but the rest of the times it just wouldn't hold open. So, if anybody has any ideas, let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for watching, guys. God bless. Have a great day.